Welcome back to Atlanta Dreams Straight Up.
Facebook a little bit, yeah.
Facebook.
I'm on Facebook.
I have a Facebook page. I hate Twitter. Twitter is too impersonal.
I do use Facebook just to kind of give me something to do. I don't really be like people who check it all day, every day.
Facebook I like because a lot of my college friends that we kind of spread out after we graduated, so just to keep in touch with them.
Unfortunately, my Facebook is so full, I cannot add any more friends. The limit is 5,000 people, and I have 5,000 people on my Facebook, which means I need to create another account, which I probably would do. I'm so friendly that everybody's my friend on Facebook.
I guess Twitter. When I first made my Twitter, I didn't ever tweet. I just thought it was stupid to tweet every minute of your life, and after a while I just kind of got addicted to it, and now I just tweet anytime about anything.
I'm not one of those constant Twitter people, but I do every now and then say, hey, I'm about to, watch Grey's Anatomy, or I'm about to go shoot some hoops, just dunked on somebody.
I am not really big on status updates. I'm just somebody that I don't really think that I'm important enough for people to care about what I'm doing.
Twitter, I don't really get it yet. The updating, I'm going to the store, I'm going to the mall, I'm driving, I don't get it yet.
Gosh, I can't pick a movie star? Denzel.
I don't know if they have anybody on the team that has survivor skills.
I would bring Arminty Price with me because she's hilarious. So one, she would bring comic relief while we were on the island. And she can really jump, so if she had to jump up into trees and get us food or something, she could jump up there and get it.
Oh, she wants me to climb the trees for the food, huh? Okay.
I would want one that was really tough, that I thought would be a survivor. And if I had to pick one, it would probably be Arminty Price.
I would take Shaylee. Why? Because she's really, really smart, and she'll figure out a way. While I'm up here thinking we dying and we ain't got no food, she'll be like, wait, I see something, come this way. And I'm like, okay, Shaylee.
I would probably have to say Shaylee, because she would figure something out right away.
Can I have the whole team? I feel like everyone brings something different. It would be pretty entertaining to have a wide variety.
It has to be one of the foreigners.
Sancho or Erica, because they're big and tall and they can protect me.
Well, yeah, that's pretty easy. Probably Coco, yeah, just because we're best friends and we do everything together, so. I would bring my best friend, Kelly, my twin sister, because, we're like best friends, so definitely her.
Have to have a bodyguard, have to have the brains, and they got the speed with me so we can work it together.
I can't trust some of them and helping me survive. They don't want to touch bugs and stuff, no. Probably Angel.
Angel McCoughtry.
I have to say Angel. Now, the only reason I'm going to say is because she's just kind of off a little bit at times, and she might leave me, and I'm like, and she'll be back at home, and I'm like, still stranded, and then we finally end up meeting years from now. I'm like, Angel, what happened? Oh, I seen the ship, so I just caught it by myself. I'm like, Angel, what?
Angel would be so scared of the bugs. She'd be running. Angel or Brittany Raven. Brittany is not an outdoors person. The other day I had a worm and showed it to her and she screamed and ran off. So the thought of being outdoors with either one of those two, they just wouldn't be helpful at all.
But probably Erica too, because she hates bugs and she hates things flying around her and stuff like that. They all do. So I don't think any one of them could survive in the woods or anything.
I like Rascal Flatts' Unstoppable. I like the message behind it, so.
I really love the Chris Allen song, Live Like We're Dying. I think that just really gives a great message. Every second, we have, 86,000 seconds in a day. What do you do with those seconds?
The Spanish people sing, ole, 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 ole. Something like that. That's what the Spanish people sing.
I like Eye of the Tiger from Rocky because it's an inspirational song, and I like that one.
Oh, Diva, Beyonce.
I'm a survivor, I'm gonna be a survivor, you're a survivor. That'll be a good one.
If I had a theme song, it'd be, who's that lady? Who's that lady? Sexy lady. That'd be my theme song.
I'm every woman. I like that one.
I'm not feeling it. Sorry.
She's been like.
She's like, ooh, wee.
I don't know if this is a compliment or not. A lot of people have said that I sometimes remind them of Miley Cyrus.
No, don't make me cry on camera.
Catch Atlanta Dream straight up all month long on Atlanta South. Is that what you say? Sports. Catch Atlanta Dream. Catch Atlanta Dream straight up. Is that right? Catch Atlanta Dream straight up all month long on Sports South.
Catch Atlanta Dream
Strong side, left side. That I like that. Yeah.
And I was like, I can't do this. It's too much pressure. I don't want to do it anymore.